Hi guys, welcome back to Dave's room. Time for another painting today. Once again, I'm using watercolors. This time I'm going to be using the Kuretake watercolors again. I'm going to start out by drawing the image of what I want to be painting. This is actually the second painting I did today. The first one I did, I was really happy with, but halfway through painting it, I realized that the camera stopped, so I only have a portion of that footage. But I'll show you that the finished piece at the end of this video if you want to see what I painted earlier. So this one is I looked up a nature scene online to find. I wanted to do a sort of a landscape, but this one I found it interested me. It has a little bridge and the reflections in the water, and I really liked the way it looked. So that's what I'm going to try to paint here today. I'm going in with the sky, doing the sky on the bottom and the reflection on the sky on the top and the reflection coming in on the bottom, using some blue, light blue, just soaking up some of that extra just to get the because it's dark at the top and it gets progressively lighter as it goes down. Um, so that's why I did it that way. Now I'm going to be using a ton of green because there's a lot of foliage in this picture. A lot of trees, a lot of different colors of different shades of green. So that's what I'm doing now is I'm just going in and just using a bunch of different shades of green just to try to bring those trees into the mix. I hope everybody's doing well. Everybody is safe, I hope. This coronavirus thing, it seems like it's never going to end. I don't know, but I don't even know what to say about it anymore. Along the left side of the image, it's very dark, so I'm going in with some black just to try to get some of that darkness in. In the picture, you really can't even see anything. It's like totally black, but I'm gonna I'll go in later and try to add some green into it because you know that there's green in that part of the frame, but it doesn't show up very well in the image. The painting I did earlier, I used a different camera to record it, and so I wasn't familiar with that camera, and so that's kind of what happened. The thing timed out, and for some reason it wouldn't start it wouldn't restart filming for some reason. I have no idea why. So I had to go back to my old setup with my original camera. So that's what I'm using here, and it's really a shame because I was happy with the picture that I did earlier. I'll show you at the like I said, I'll show you at the end, and you'll see if you can recognize it because it's kind of a famous picture. So now I'm going in with black to start doing the reflection side of the bridge. And for this one, I am using my trusty number 12 Artist Loft watercolor brush. I relied on that one pretty heavily for a lot of this painting. How many of you out there have Netflix? We're currently watching that Tiger King documentary, and it's unbelievable. We're watching it, and we say to each other, how did we not know that this world even exists with these crazy people? It was unbelievable. If you haven't seen it, I highly recommend it because it is something. So along the right side of the picture, there was a little bit of like a little sandy shoreline there along the river, and so that's where I went in with that little brown. I also want to thank everybody for all their incredible comments and tips and advice, and it's really uplifting to see so many people liking what I'm doing. I appreciate all of you who watch it and leave those comments. As you can see, I did make the bridge. It does look a little wonky. Didn't really. I'm not the best at getting circles looking, even and everything. So it did come off a little wonkier than what I wanted. If I had I don't know, what is it called, a protractor or whatever. If I had one of those things, I would have done a better job of making it truly circular. But I didn't have any on hand, so I just did it by eye, and that never turns out well for me. So I just did the best that I could. That's why I'm going in and I'm trying to touch it up just to try to get a little bit of a better angle on that circle. I'm using a fine brush here just to get some of the details in with the branches and the little shrubs. And now I'm going in with more black on the left hand side just to try to deepen that up. Like I said, on the image it really is really dark there in the forefront. So that's what I was just doing, trying to accomplish that. And I think that's pretty good. I'll finish it up here. So this is going to be the image of my my source image. That's what it's supposed to look like. And that's my version of it. A little bit different. Well, it's a lot different, but I was happy with it. And now I'll show you the painting, the first painting of the day, the one I didn't get recorded. This is it here. It is the famous photo of Patty the Bigfoot from the Patterson-Gimlin video footage. I had a really great time painting that one, so yeah. So thanks for watching, guys, and everybody have a good day. Bye-bye.